I'm going to go to Mirador de la Cruz, something like that right now. It's basically the highest point that you can go to in Puerto Vallarta. And they say not to go when it's hot because like it's all uphill and like a bunch of stairs. But thankfully the weather today isn't too bad, so I think I'm gonna go do it now. I'm like 30 minutes away, something like that. So this should be interesting. This should be fun. Let's go. Honestly, the best advice I can give you, especially when you're young, travel, move, do whatever you want, try everything, figure it out. Like, life's way too short to not go places, to see things, to do what you want. Like, get that fear out of your mind. Fear is an illusion. Whatever excuses like you make, like, oh, my job, oh, this, oh, that. Fuck everything. Pick your bags up and go travel. Go around, like, see, meet new people. Like, you learn so much, it's insane. It just started raining a bit, but I still think I'm gonna go. Because fuck it, it's hot, why not? Yeah, it's raining. So as you can see, it is raining. So I think I should still go. Why the fuck not? It's only water. It is only water, Prince. Sometimes I need expert advice, so I talk to myself. See, so I was right. It is like some type of army show.
Nuevo cronista de la ciudad, al ciudadano Moisés Hernández López, se sirva dar lectura a la semblanza histórica que nos tiene preparada para esta ocasión.
I think it's like some type of marine stuff or something like that. That's why like they're doing like a show. Don't know, but there's definitely something, that's for sure. Let me see where I need to go to the other place. Oh, I'm only 19 minutes away. I'm kind of close now, so we're getting there. You see how these guys are like looking at me? Now the hard part's gonna come where I have to go all the way up the stairs and stuff. Gun. These are stairs going up. It's like a 15-minute walk all uphill now. It's like neighbors just looking at you like, what the fuck am I doing? And this one, right? Hola. Completely ignored me. Literally. Didn't even say hi. It's so hot. 13 more minutes. More stairs. There's so much uphill. And I'm sweating so much. But it's a nice walk. Oh, look at this cat. Look at this kitty. She has nice blue eyes. Hi, kitty. Oh my God. There's so much uphill. Look how high up we came. Look at the horses and the chicken. It's so fucking hot and humid. It's raining though. Look at this. And then there's still a building, you gotta go up. How nice this view is. I still have all of that to go up though. I finally made it. Look, you can see them parachuting. I think it's for that military thing I was telling you guys about earlier. They got flags, the Mexican flags under them. About to go down now. Not sure exactly where yet, but I'm gonna figure that out. I don't want to order an Uber and go home just yet. Not yet. So my slipper fell. Now I gotta go barefoot. I got it. Get out, travel when you're young. Like, I can't stress on this enough. Get the fuck out of your hometown and travel while you're young. Go fuck up, fail, go around. Like, the world is so small. We're only here for this short amount of time to be sitting and playing small and sitting in the same city your entire life. So like, if you're ever wondering like, should you do it, should you not? Oh, you don't have this or that. If there's a will, there's a way. Just like a crackhead finds crack, you're gonna find a way. You could find a way. It's like, are you determined? How bad do you want it? Is the question. Or are you just gonna accept a mediocre life where you just eat, sleep, work, repeat, and then die? Like, that's not what life's about. That's fuckery. The best thing I ever did was invest in myself, invest in my education. I graduated law, but I wiped my ass with that degree, and I'm not speaking about that education. I'm speaking about my knowledge online to run online businesses and stuff, where I paid mentors to actually help me and get there, and they charged me. Like, I paid for the information to get there, and then I went and applied it, and obviously not instantly, but like, you put the work and you get the results. So it's as easy as that. Literally, then, and all around the world, with no money, with money, in every way you can imagine, but I've always found a way. I've always found a way. Again, if there's a will, there's a will. It's like, how bad do you want something? That's the question. So, my recommendation to you, especially if you're young, go out, travel, do what you want. Don't be scared. Like, while you feel the fear, You swallow that bitch and you jump. And you go right for it. You grab it by its fucking neck and you take it over. That's what you do with fear. Because fear is a fucking illusion, and that's the only thing that's stopping you and holding you back from living the life you want to live and living your dreams. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate and love you guys. I hope you have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one.